Hello everyone, my name is Denis and today we're gonna talk about XPeng, and it is a very huge company, as I think $25 billion market capitalization, and they have this thing on the roof. It is strange a little bit. They have some driver assist and it is quite close to autopilot. This car can park itself. And I think it is not just idea company like Fisker, but you guys really like electric vehicle stocks, so that's why I'm filming this. In this video I will compare XPeng to NIO and a little bit to Tesla. And actually they have two cars, it is a P7 and G3. XPeng P7, it is a sedan and with really nice look, I think. Very safety, dual engine, Qualcomm, Nvidia, and this car can drive like 600 miles. I think it is super good for Chinese electric vehicle, but the front view not really sexy. Super long range SUV G3, and in China this car costs around $20,000, and I think it is cheap, and in China people think that it is cheap, but from the other side, in China you can buy a new vehicle for $15,000 with the same characteristics, but on gas fuel. And I will show you some numbers from fresh 10Q report. Deliveries of vehicles reached 8,500 cars, and it is 265% year to year. Total revenue $293 million, and it is insane growth, 342%. And you can see here gross margin 4.6, and if it is profitable in gross margin, it is a plus, because in first quarter of 2020 NIO was not profitable by gross margin, and it is only $169 million in net losses. Not really a huge amount of money. They closed IPO, and you have to be really careful on 90 plus days from IPO, it is end of November, and 180 days from IPO, because it is a lockup period, and some guys who bought on IPO will cover their positions, and we can expect some drawdown in share price. I am offering to buy put options if you would like to hold the position over this 90 and 180 days, or maybe just sell the whole position and just see what happens on these days. And they're planning to deliver more than 10,000 vehicles in a fourth quarter. I think it is great numbers, and it is quite close to NIO. And you can see balance sheet, it is around $3 billion, and now market cap $25 billion. It is good, they have lots of money, and I don't think that they need to dilute their shares to reach profitability. Maybe we will see something good in 2022, I think. And also they write that they will be able to produce around 100,000 vehicles, and it is a plus for this company too. And now we can just compare it to NIO, and NIO actually performing a little bit better than Tesla, because they are now launching a 100 kilowatt battery, and they are planning to start 150 kilowatt battery to produce in 2021, and I think it will be like a game-changing thing, because they will be able to produce cars that can drive like 1000 miles. It is And quick overview, EC6 and ES8, very good cars, and actually I researched this stock a year ago, and I think I was the first investor who talked about that this stock really good. They will publish their report on November 17th, and now we have a second quarter report. I think we can find some good numbers here too. Deliveries 10,000 cars, it is good. Vehicle sales around $500 million, and I think NIO is just like 2 times better than XPeng, and the same gross margin 8.4%. I think it will be a little bit better when they will scale their manufacture. And on Guru Focus, you can see that probably they will reach profitability somewhere in 2021 or 2022, and it is definitely a plus for this stock because they wouldn't burning money and they will produce it. I think it is super nice. And I would like to show you this 180 days lockup period, and you can see it here, 174 days, and it ends somewhere here. And plus, in addition, they published their earnings report, and it was not really good. And then IPO guys started to sell the stock, and they just drove down for minus 75%. It is not really good. But then they recover, and now we can see plus 3,800%. It is amazing. And you have to be careful around 20th of February, because it will be a really hard days for this stock. Market cap of XPeng $25 billion, and I think we can easily see like $50 billion in several months. I think it is hard to predict something for next 2-3 years, because no one know what will happen with this stock, and if you will push a like button, you will definitely get profit from this stock. I really like to read your comments. Please write something about XPeng or NIO or Tesla. It will be really interesting to read. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.